Today I'm going to show you how to log on to Google Classroom using your Simi Valley USD email address provided by your homeroom teacher and your password provided by your homeroom teacher. Now, when you go onto your computer, you're going to open up a web browser. Usually Google Chrome works really well with Google Classroom because it's a Google product. Now, if you see in the top right-hand corner of your browser that there's an email address already logged in, you will need to sign out of that account. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go to the URL browser, not the search engine, and you're going to type in Google Classroom and hit enter. Once you do that, you're going to click on the link that says Classroom-Google. Now it'll bring you to a page that looks something like this, and then you're going to click Go to Classroom. If you've already signed out of an account, it's going to tell you to log in with a Google account. Now, if you're going to do this, you have to use the email address and password given to you by your homeroom teacher. That's the one that has your first initial with a capital letter, dot, your last name with a capital letter, at simivalleyusd.org. There's no spaces. Sometimes there is a number after the student's last name. Your homeroom teacher can tell you if that's the case. Now your password is usually your middle name with a capital letter and an ID number with no spaces. If you do not have a middle name, that's okay. Please talk to your homeroom teacher or your science teacher and they will be able to give you a password that's not your middle name. Now if you've seen this page when you signed into Google Classroom, looks like this, and at the bottom it says, sorry, Classroom is only available for Google Apps for Education users at this time, you need to click where it says Sign Out. That means that you signed in with a non-Simi Valley USD account. So then right when you get to this page, it'll tell you to add or sign in with a different account. Click on that link. Then you're going to click Add Account. This will be able to send you to a login page where you can then again write the student's email address with the first initial dot last name, both capital letters, sometimes there's a number after the last name, at simivalleyusd.org. Then your password again is the middle name with a capital letter and ID number with no spaces. However, if you do not have a middle name, that's okay. Your teacher can go ahead and assign you a password. Usually we've been doing your favorite animal with a capital letter and your ID number. Once you've logged on to Google Classroom, you'll see a little plus sign at the top right-hand corner next to your simivalleyusd.org email address. Please click the plus sign. Then a box like this will appear in the center of your page where it says Enter Class Code to Join. The class code is the one that you wrote down on the class contract or should be written down in the student agenda. That one is given by the teacher to the students. Once you've done that, you may click Join, and you will be sent to your Google Classroom page. Congratulations, you have now signed up for Google Classroom.